When we put items into our science journal, we want to make sure that we can see them as soon as we open the page and tell what it is and see the information. And we want to take up the least amount of space as possible in the journal because we have so many cool things that we learn about all year. So what do we do with our study guides? Because they're rather large documents. They're usually always at least 2 pages, sometimes 3. This video is to show you a way that we fold our study guides and get them secured into our journal where we can see them and use as few pages as possible. So, our study guide, one page is quite a bit bigger than one of our journal pages, and this one is 3 pages long. We're going to start with our page flat on the table, and we're going to make one vertical fold in half. This way is vertical. We're going to take the right-hand side, fold it to the left-hand side. Okay, so that was our first page. Notice that my numbers are over here, and this is the right-hand side of the page that my back is facing me. I'm going to take glue and put some glue on that page. Now I take the next page. I'm going to make a vertical fold again. Vertical is this way, fold it in half, but I need this side of the page to stick to that. So I'm going to take the left-hand side, fold this in half, make a nice sharp crease, and then I'm going to look to make sure that the pages are facing the same direction, okay? And I want the right-hand side of my first page to stick to the left-hand side of my second page. So I'm just going to pick it up, put it on top. I've now made a booklet, okay? I can open it up. Here's questions 1 through 6. Here is the remainder of 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it looks kind of like this. If it was a 2-page document, we could stop here, but it's not, it's 3 pages. So I'm going to close up that part. Put some glue on it. I'm going to get my 3rd page. I need the left-hand side of the page to be stuck to the right-hand side. I'm going to make a vertical fold in half. This one already got folded. It wasn't folded correctly, so it's going to take me just a second to try to get my edges lined up. And make a new nice crease in there. Now I'm going to make sure, okay, are my pages facing the same direction? Do I have the page together? This is 11. I need to see 12. Good. They match up. So I'm just going to take this one, lay it on top, press them together. Now my book starts over here, 1 through 6, 6 through 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. The way we're going to put it in our journal is we're going to secure the folded edge of our little booklet in the middle. We're going to push it down into the crease, and we're going to glue either side of that back cover into the middle of our journal. To do that, I'm going to put glue on one of these back sides. I am going to make sure that my page is facing the right direction. This is the top of the journal. This is the page going the right way. I have glue on one side. I'm going to firmly put the edge of the paper, the folded edges, into that crease so it fits in nice and tight. And now, whoops, if it sticks, let's see, did it stick this time? Not all that great. The great thing about the stick glue is that if it doesn't stick great the first time, you can reapply more. So again, let's put it in the crease. Don't you just love it when the teacher makes a mistake? It lets you know it's okay and that things can be fixed. So now I've got it secured on that side. I add glue to this side. Should be able to just shut the journal now. When I go back to page 20, I can now open the little booklet and I can see all of my pages of my study guide. And even though this was a 3-page document with really big pages, I only took up 2 pages in my journal to get them all in, and I can see all the material.